I think my absolute favorite part of the new Lightroom update is the new selection masks that you can make in here. They are truly rivaling Photoshop here, but you know, we still need Photoshop. But anyway, so if I'm gonna add a mask here to something, now we have all of these choices, but I think my favorite here so far anyway is the selecting an object. Now I actually picked a subject that was pretty much the same color as his background, so this should technically be really difficult, but it kind of proved not to be. So I'm going to click and drag in here, and you can use a bigger brush or a smaller brush, but I'm going to come in here and kind of select this lion. Okay, that did a pretty impressive job. It had a little bit of a struggle here on his back leg, so I'm just going to click add so I can add to this mask, and I'm just going to go back to objects again because that seemed to do a pretty good job. I just wanted to concentrate on that little area a little bit more. Perfect. So I need one more on his face right there. Yep. And I need to subtract this out. It kind of added that in right there, and I don't want that. So I'm going to click on subtract. I'm just going to go back to objects here. Make this a little bit smaller so that it's a little bit more specific. Awesome. Okay. So from here, you just start making adjustments. So I'm going to turn off the show overlay so I can just see it a little bit easier what I'm doing. So I'm going to brighten him up. I mean, look at what this does. It did a fantastic job of selecting this guy. And so I'm just going to make some adjustments, give him a little bit more contrast, maybe warm him up just a smidge. Don't go crazy. Add some texture, just a smidge of clarity to him. Loving it. And I am done with that. So here's before and after. Look at him standing out from that background. That is insane. Anyway, have fun selecting objects. Definitely practice with different animals, people, situations. Just go play. See you later.